In this update of iLearn, we now support all modern versions of Internet Explorer. What this provides for our users is a more consistent experience across all major browsers, including Internet Explorer, Safari, Chrome, and Mozilla Firefox. Some things that have been enhanced with this Internet Explorer update is that now you have additional styling elements that you previously did not. For example, by looking at this course list, you can see that everything has a white background, where in the new version, you will see that there is a line or a grayed out background for alternating rows. In addition to this, you'll have more consistent user experience with different tools and functionality in iLearn. In this update of iLearn, the discussion board has received several updates. Some of the updates includes the ability to now be able to sort by author first name or last name, but you also have the option to be able to post by date if things were posted. Another update that is received is that when you select new thread, anyone that is making a post now has the ability to add a title for their post, allowing them to provide a brief overview or topic for the specific description of their post. This feature is new and is available to anyone making discussion board posts. To simply make the post, just add a title, and then add your description and select post. Once that is done, you will see that when it's compacted, that it will display just the topic that the user has added for the particular discussion board post. Another update that has happened is that when teachers make posts on discussion boards where there's several groups participating, they have now the option to make the post visible to the entire class. For example, if I were to add a title here, and I added my description, I have the ability to select this checkbox and select post. Doing so will post this one message to all discussion board groups for this particular discussion board. So as I navigate to other discussion boards within, or discussion board groups within this discussion board, each one of them will see this title and this description instead of me having to copy it and paste it to the other discussion board groups. In this iLearn update, course authors can now copy and paste items within a course. It does not provide the opportunity to be able to copy items and paste them into other courses, but it does allow you to do it within the same course. To be able to share content between courses, look for the subscription option or contact the Faculty Technology Center to discuss these options. To copy an item, all you have to do is select the item. It could be a folder or an individual item. So in this case, I'll select the entire folder, and then select the copy option down on the toolbars. I'll ask you, do you want to copy the selected activity, in this case a folder, or the module? If I copy the selected activity, I can go to another object and I select paste. As you can see, it copied the entire folder and the entire structure into this other module. Now I can open up each one of those items individually and edit them as I see fit. If you also copy the entire module and then you paste the entire module, it will then paste or copy the entire module and it will be placed at the bottom. As you can see, I now have another module called Instructor Notes hidden, which I can go ahead and modify the items as I see fit. In this iLearn update, the options for administrators to search for courses and users has been simplified. When you search for a course or for a user, you will be presented with a single text box where you can enter in the ID of the course, external ID of the course, or the title of the course. Once you enter it in, it will then return the courses that are most relevant to your search. So if I search for the course Ed 206 and I select Find, multiple Ed 206 courses will be returned, as well as other courses that may be deemed relevant to that search term. You no longer need to pass wildcards or asterisk in your search, as it will already search for courses that are relevant to the course title that you have searched for.